And speaking of umaangat, umangat din yung numero ni Kobe Tabuga in game number 1, scoring 16 points. And there he is again, Kobe Tabuga.
Ang daming variations ng attack ni Tabuga. Yung first point niya kanina was a cross-court hit, but this time, binaon niya sa down the line.
7.6 points per match, but he had 16 in game 1. Marapok. Biones, binigay dito kay Romero cross-court. And Narciso. Oh! And Medalla with a drop.
Hindi lahat power ang kailangan gamitin. Kapag gusto mong kumuha ng puntos, kita-kita natin doon sa ginawa ni Met. Saan ka naman makakita ang coach na may 13 championship crown na? And I'm sure hindi basta-basta at hindi madali makakuha ng championship crown dito sa NCAA.
8 of the last 10 seasons.
Nag-ikutan kami noon Anton Una, nakalaban namin ng EACC Championship. Tinalo sila the next year ng Perpetual. Luckily, nakabawi kami sa Perpetual.
That was season 92, your
Yeah.
championship year. Tight. Oh, these generals in game 2. Osabel. Tatlo sumabay. And Narciso, naibalik ang bola sa EAC. Jan Ruther aboard with a stare down.
Wala sa atin, kala natin mapapatay na ng Perpetual dahil ang ganda ng defense na ginawa. But yun nga, yung stare down yung nagdala doon, Anton.
Ayan, oh.
Unexpected players talaga, Anton, na hindi man mataas pumuntos ng elimination. Pero sa mga ganitong klase at napaka-importanteng match, doon pa sila nagko-contribute.
Totoo yan. Dumoble yung puntos ni Tabuga dito sa finals in game 1. Ramirez cross-court.
Credit para dito sa kanilang setter na si Narciso. Medyo litong-lito itong mga blockers ng EAC sa mga combination plays na binibigay niya.
Marapok.
Kakastart pa lang ng ating... Anton, kakastart pa lang ng first set natin. Meron na silang 6.
So nandito na po tayo sa game number 2. Perpetual with a chance. Men's volleyball crowned the most in NCAA history. Abor cross-court.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, isa-isahin lang natin.
Osabel. And Narciso. Ramirez gets roofed.
Oh! Yung reaction ni Romero after niyang ma-block itong MVP captain na si Louie Ramirez. Lahat ng players dito, pag MVP ka, pag captain ka, i-challenge ka nila at gagawa sila ng paraan.
Dearborn Saria, service specialist. Cabrera. Playing for the first time in the finals, and Marapok targeting him.
Marapok from the back row. Meron na siyang 4 points contribution para sa kanyang kupunan na Perpetual. Palang check ball.
Well, Perpetual will take it. Medalla. Ooh, nag-agawan. And Narciso. Oh, Marapok with the adjustment. Saria, back row. Papalo si Narciso. Tuloy pa rin. And Narciso. To Marapok, goodbye.
Off the block by Zach Marapok.
What a great rally para dito sa Perpetual and EAC. Grabe yung defense. Pero si Marapok ang tumapos dun sa mahabang EAC. Meron na silang 6 errors, Anton.
Oh, wow. They give up a chance ball, John Vic.
Again, same spot, same spiker, 6 points para dito kay Marapok.
Still at the service area.
Grabe,
Louis
lumilipad.
Ramirez.
Diba? Good for men's volleyball na may ganitong klaseng exposure.
Wow.
Off the block by
Wow,
Jeff
wow,
Marapol.
wow. Jefferson Marapok. Check out kung check out.
Naabangan na siya ng mga quickers. Ay, naabangan na siya ng mga blockers nitong EAC, but still, Anton, ibang klase.
Oh wow, that's too long and out for Brian Cabrera. So, Perpetual, the defending champions, taking that opening set 25-14 here in Game 2. GMA Gala Night.
Yes, sir.
Kahit napakainit dito sa Phil Oil.
Oo, at mag-GMA Day lang ang uli this year. And I'll see you there, partner.
I'll see you there, brother. We also have Fatima Reyes at courtside telling us all of the updates from both EAC and Perpetual. Marapok. Ramirez keeps the ball in play. Jefferson with a drop. Abor. Na-depensan. Narciso. Ooh, wow! Wow! Wow, wow, wow. What a set.
Ang tawag doon ay fake set para dito kay Narciso, knowing na nasa back row siya.
Serving for the outside.
Ah.
Jeff Marapol.
Di natin siya masyado nabanggit nung opening set. We were mentioning Medalla a lot. But now, Andrade is making some noise. Abor!
Hinayang na hinayang doon si Ramirez. Nabasa niya yung yung set. Pero hindi niya na-block yung bola. In fairness dun sa floor defense ng Perpetual. Stare down.
Better start, John Vic, para sa EAC dito sa set number 2. Wow!
Service ace.
Abor
by
is
Jeff
fired
Marapol.
up.
Yeah. 9 big points para kay Abor.
Next serving point.
Ito yung kailangan ng EAC. As niya pang tumalon.
Paglaon. Romero. Pepito was there. Narciso binigay kay Marapok. Diones keeps the ball in play. Narciso. Marapok. Tuloy pa rin. Marapok na naman. Regalo. Wow.
Jeff Marapol.
Pumapasok yung ingay sa mga headsets namin ni John Vic de
Yeah.
Guzman.
Totoo. Grabe yung floor defense nitong EAC. Ilang atake yung inangat nila from Perpetual. But syempre, tatapusin to ni Marapok with 8 volleyball, Anton.
And they're also champions.
Aha.
Ramirez and Marapok are. Osabel, nadepensahan.
Block one
And
by
Diones
Christian
slides in
Andrade.
front of our cameraman.
Timeout from the AC.
And Narciso to Ramirez. Paglaon. Back set. Abor. Abor na naman! Single block by
Block one by
Ramirez.
Louis Ramirez.
Bantay sarado para sa ating captain, MVP, Louis Ramirez. Medyo bitin yung set doon.
Olivo with 2 points in the match. And Narciso. Medalla. Abor. And Ruther Abor gets another point.
John Abor.
Ruther Abor with 11 points para sa EAC.
12 serving ace.
Paglaon. Running attack. The captain, Batyan Sila.
Kenneth Batiansila.
Running attack.
14 serving 17.
Good serve.
So bonus points para kay Batyan Sila.
Ganda ng serve niya doon.
16, serving 18.
Paglaon. Nahuli ni Pepito. Ramirez, back row. Paglaon. Abor!
John Abor.
Importante hindi sila nag-aaway inside the court.
Yun nga yung nagbibigay kulay sa ating laro.
Oo. Kumbaga sa ulam nagbibigay ng spice.
Yes. Tabuga, cross court. Osabel.
Oh!
Ito na ang EAC. We are tied at 19. Paglaon. EAC with a chance na makuha ang lamang dito. Marapok, bounce ball!
Jeff Marapo.
Another point para sa ating go-to guy sa ating second match ng championship. Marapok with another bounce ball attack.
Serving 19.
For the three-time defending champions. And Narciso. Ramirez. Oh, rare chance ball given up. Uy, mahina. Tabuga. Malakas!
Kobe
2 points
Tabuga.
away.
And grabe yung rotation ng mga attackers nila, Anton.
Romero.
Marvin Romero.
The way mag-stare down to si Romero.
Frelwin Takulog. Picked up by Marapok. Tabuga. Pwede pa to. Paglaon. To Romero. And Romero
Off the
scores.
block by Marvin
Wow.
Romero.
Seven points para dito kay Romero.
Still at the
Isang
service
puntos
area.
na lang ang kailangan nilang
Takulog.
kuhain para maka...
Takulog. Service specialist para sa EAC. Ramirez. Breaks down the wall.
Ramirez.
Set point para sa Perpetual.
Anton, nabasa ng mga defender ng EAC yung combination play but too high para kay Ramirez.
Here in game 2, a chance to take set number 2. Paglaon. Romero! Mateo raises the roof.
What a great timing.
The University of Perpetual House is about to took the
Clint
second set.
Michael
With a score,
Mateo
25-22.
with a denial.
And now leads this match
And
with 2
Perpetual
sets to
could be
none.
1 set away from their 14th men's volleyball championship in the NCAA.
Anton, kailangan makuha ng EAC to para mabago yung kwento ng championship.
Abor, nakapalo.
John Abor.
Para
Kaya
sa kanila
lang.
ng EAC.
Kailangan niya ng tulong, John Vic. Si Abor. Tabuga.
Pero feeling ko ang Perpetual,
4-3 in favor of EAC. Oh,
good ball.
Dionis sends it back to the Perpetual side. Ramirez. Abor was there. Paglaon to Osabel. Irvin Osabel.
Irvin Osabel.
Back-to-back points para kay Osabel.
14 for Abor. Siya nauna para sa Generals. And Narciso, hahabulin ng bola. Ramirez. Osabel. Check ball ba? Wala.
There's no check.
Attack goes on.
Aha.
Point for the Altars.
Ito yung talagang pinaka-concern ko sa EAC. Yung mga errors nila every time nakakakuha sila ng
4
puntos.
serving 5.
Tabuga. Ramirez.
Louis
Cross court
Ramirez.
again para kay Louis Ramirez.
What a great timing para kay Louis Ramirez. Natapatan sana doon but
Still at the service area.
Narciso to Medalla. And Perpetual trying to come back in this match. Up the Phil Oil Eco Oil Center dito sa San Juan. Bringing the Perp squad as well. And Narciso, marapok. Wow. Gives Perpetual back the lead.
Grabe si Marapok dito sa ating champion.
Medalla taking his time. Abor ties things up again at 9-all.
Kung may isang player dito sa EAC na ayaw sumuko, nag-iisa siya. Abor.
And Narciso.
Oh!
Tabuga cross court again.
Well, ang maganda dito sa Perpetual, kung paano ni Narciso pinapaikot yung mga attackers niya. Kung mapapansin natin, ayun, litong-lito yung mga middle blockers nitong EAC every time ibibigay itong third set.
15 points para kay Luther Abor and Narciso. Ramirez. And Ramirez scores. 12 puntos para kay Osabel who scored majority of those 12 points dito sa third set. And Narciso, Ramirez na naman. Pwede pa to. Romero, papalo. And Narciso with a set. Tabuga!
No blockers para sa kanilang opposite hitter from the back row. Tabuga. Ine-expect kasi nila wala na eh. Wala nang, kumbaga hindi mapapalo na maayos. Walang blockers.
Oh, what a float serve by Ramirez. And Narciso, back set. Tabugan na naman. Romero. Romero again.
Akala ko hahabulin pa ni Louie. Papuntang dugout na yung bola. So ibig sabihin parang nawala lang yung challenge ng EAC. Kasi yun yung call ng ating second referee eh. Kaya nag-challenge sila kung may touch nito wala. Yun no? Mga dancers ng
Okay.
Perpetual.
Wow.
Outside, yeah, outside.
Abor. Romero. Abor na naman. Tabla po tayo. 17-all after
Wow.
that.
EC.
And Narciso. Tabuga! Wow.
Ng bola, pupuntahan. Kailangan nilang puntahan. Buhay pa.
Ang layo ng pinanggalingan. Olivo. Quick attack.
Josh Olivo.
And Narciso. Romero. Marapok, back row.
Jeff Marapo.
Alam mo, nagugulat ako dito kasi hindi ko ina-expect na
Balikan naman sa Perpetual. Paglaon, quick attack.
Block one by Kurt Rosso.
Now it's a 2-point lead para sa Altas.
errors, errors, errors para sa EAC. Ang errors nila.
Regalo. Pero naunahan ni Paglaon. Si Ramirez. Running attack! Kurt Rosas! The train! And there's the tarpaulin.
Time out for the AC.
Kurt, the train, Rosas. Specialty of the house. Rosas goes dashing and smashing that volleyball in the finals.
Sa mga insidente na kailangan natin.
Best opposite hitter for season 99. And Narciso to Rosas again. But Diones, best libero, saves it. Abor. Crucial serve. Tinarget si Marapok. And Narciso binigay kay Ramirez. Ramirez in the front line for Perpetual. Osabel gets denied.
Block goal by Kobe Tabuga.
What a defense para sa EAC, pero what a great block para naman sa Perpetual. Sagutan sila, Anton.
Kobe Tabuga.
Kalamangan ng Perpetual.
Paglaon, kanina siya pupunta. Abor. Sinabayan ni Narciso.
Aha.
John Abor.
Akala din ni Narciso na block niya na yung palo ni Abor, but ayaw pa rin bumitaw nitong si Abor.
Serving for the General.
With 17
Irvin
big
Isabel.
points.
What a match for Abor. Para sa Perpetual, along with Ramirez, Narciso, and Pepito. Ramirez! Paglaon. Romero.
Oh!
Lamang
Off
ang
the block
EAC!
by Marvin Romero.
EAC!
Time
Is
out
ahead.
on the Altas.
Sinasalo tayo. Tinan nyo pag sinasalo tayo, naku ba, kasi mag-depend.
For all. First extension here in game number 2. Abor. Oh! Puntos na naman!
There's a check ball.
Attack goes.
Na malinaw yon, check ball.
And that's a point for EAC.
JC and Narciso, Tubong Misamis Oriental. Starting off this rally. Abor, papalo. That's in.
John Abor.
Third set point, John
Oo.
Vic. And again, he was only averaging 12.8 coming into the finals. Tabuga! Bounce!
Ball! An exclamation point para kay Tabuga.
Who soars and scores for Perpetual. 26 all.
Itong pang fourth set point nila, mag-iiba na.
Osabel! Tama ka. Fourth set point ng EAC.
Ayaw pang bumitaw. Mas napipil natin ngayon na may katulong na si Abor
27,
dito sa EAC.
serving 26.
Out para sa back-to-back MVP.
Yes. Ito yung abangan nila kasi nasa frontline na si Ramirez. Chance ball para sa Perpetual.
And Narciso to Ramirez.
Oh!
Perpetual is at championship point.
Timeout from EAC.
Timeout EAC from Aklan. Championship point para sa Perpetual. Osabel. Marapok. Diones back set. Osabel.
Block goal by Mike Pedalga.
And Perpetual wins it. Championship number 14.
Hey!
And the Altas now stand alone at the top of the mountain in NCAA men's volleyball. The greatest team in the history of NCAA men's volleyball.
What a great game para tapusin ang Perpetual.
And they did it with blocking. The number 1 team in that department.
Taguba and Medalya helping each other sa blocking department.
May 26, 2024. A date that will be remembered forever in the history books